guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelly Dreams, and I am back with my Icy Out makeup tutorial that I created using my Morphe 39A palette. I hope you all enjoy this look, and to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So the first shade I'm going to take is that chocolate brown shade in the 39A palette, and I'm going to trace out my cut crease. I have a hooded eye, so I have to see where my eyeball socket is and then place my line above that. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take this navy blue shade here, and I'm going to take a small dome brush. I believe I got this brush from Coastal Scents. No, it's an elf brush a very long time ago. I'm going to pack that onto the line that we made previously, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Now going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in tan, I'm going to take a small concealer brush, and I'm going to go ahead, I believe this brush is by Elf as well. I'm going to go ahead and begin to carve out my crease using that line of demarcation that we used from the chocolate brown shade. I'm going to go just below that line and start to carve out my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this icy blue shade and begin to blend out the edges of that concealer that we put in the center of our eyes for our halo eye. And I'm going to make sure the navy blue and the icy blue have like a soft gradient effect, making sure it's blended out well before we begin to put on our glitter. Now taking my NYX glitter primer, I'm going to go ahead and place that right in the middle on top of the rest of the concealer that we left in the open space to get ready to prime the lid for our loose glitter. Now on to the fun part, the icy part of the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX loose glitter in silver and begin to pack that onto the lid on top of where we put the NYX glitter primer. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular foundation routine. You guys have seen this routine 100 times. I still use the same NARS foundation, Fenty Beauty contour, and the Master Chrome highlight. So I will list all products in the video. So just keep watching and I'll see you in a bit.
What we do here is go back.
So here I'm just going to apply some falsies. I don't know the brand of these falsies. I actually stole these from my little sister. Hey girl. But go ahead and apply your favorite lashes. So for lip, I just went in and I did my basic nude combo. I took a dark brown lip pencil and I filled it in with a nude matte lipstick, and then I went on top of that with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And stay tuned for more videos. See you later.